Tomorrow, a new construction project will be affecting North Minnesota Avenue here in Sioux Falls. We were able to speak with a city engineer to discuss the effect it may have on those who will be driving in the area, specifically around the Sioux Falls Regional Airport. Parker Brown with our 9 o'clock top story tonight.
Necessary upgrades often come at the short-term expense of drivers in the area having to change their route. The roads surrounding the Sioux Falls Regional Airport are some of the busiest in the city, prompting questions of how construction might affect them. In northern Sioux Falls, construction on a railroad crossing will begin Monday morning. It's a project that city engineer Andy Berg says is due to happen because of the rail's condition.
It's tired, it's ready for replacement. It's pretty rough, and so the railroad company, BNSF, is coming out. They're going to be replacing the panels along this and the rail itself.
Further north, the Benson Road Bridge has already been closed for a separate construction project to replace the deck of the bridge. Businesses nearby, commutes of nearby residents, and access to the Sioux Falls Regional Airport will certainly feel the effects of two overlapping projects. But Berg says the shorter length of the detours will make it less of a hassle.
The folks that are trying to get to the airport, if they're coming from the north, 60th Street North to Minnesota Avenue will work just fine. Coming from the south, this detours through the industrial park is relatively short, so it shouldn't really affect commutes too much.
Brendan Farrell of T agrees. He will be flying out today and coming back to Sioux Falls at the height of the construction. But he says that while it may have a slight effect on him getting picked up, the construction is a good change.
I think it's going to impact it a little bit. Construction means growth, and growth is good for Sioux Falls. Everyone's got to plan their trips ahead of time, give themselves time for construction in the area, make sure you check, see which roads are closed and all that.
Depending on weather or other delays, the railroad project is expected to be done in 1 week. Then, drivers will only need to worry about the bridge construction until it opens back up this fall. In Sioux Falls, Parker Brown, Dakota News Now.
Public's patience and understanding during these projects. By the way, you can find full details on the detour routes on your Dakota News Now app.